Hey, what's up? Brent from Brent Speed. I have a short one for you today. Thanks so much for watching Brent Speed TV. We're going to watch a dyno pull on this automatic 19 GT Whipple supercharged running 93 octane. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notify, stay up to date. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, here's what we have going. It's going to be very easy because you know what? This car is bone stock. No long tubes, no nothing. Doug, come down here and take a look. 3-liter Whipple. We install these all the time. It's the Stage 2 kit. So it's intercooled. You get the big 132 throttle body. It comes with injectors, fuel pump upgrade. Everything's included, and we're running the Whipple calibration. You can run that cal on 91 octane, but this particular car has a 93. Check out this dyno pull. All right, a couple things before we look at these numbers. So this is a dyno jet rated SAE smoothing 5. We're gonna check those out. Hey, we typically keep these superchargers in stock. So if you wanna come to Indiana for an install, email quote@brentspeed.com. Hey, what's that cost to get installed? Or we can ship them right to your door. Doug, check out these numbers. 681 real horsepower, peaking at 77 RPM, through the auto, love the torque, 523, peaking at 5,700, the curves look great. And I want to take one more look at this car. So like I said, automatic 19 GT, super sleeper. So if you have any questions, again, leave that comment, open the description. I'll put links to this so you can read a lot more about it, exactly what comes in the kit. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.